Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to save your profiles on onboard memory of the Logitech G316 X keyboard. So, make sure to connect your keyboard to your PC using the cable and run the G Hub application. If you haven't installed it yet, we have a separate video on our channel where we explain how to do that. After that, on the main page of this application, you're going to have to open your keyboard dashboard. Now, we are in settings, but usually we would see this screen in front of us. Now, to save our presets on the onboard memory of the keyboard, we have to go to device settings by clicking right here and then select onboard mode and enable it by clicking right here, and then just select the onboard memory slot. If you want, you can restore all profile slots to default and defragment onboard storage in this menu. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.